How to access USB flash drive on M4 Mac Mini. If you wish to access USB flash drive on M4 Mac Mini, first of all, once you plug in your USB flash drive, it should instantly show up on your desktop home face interface like this. If it doesn't show up, simply open up your Finder, and on the left hand side you can see the option called Locations. You could go to the folder called Locations, and over there you should be able to see various type of drives that are connected to your Mac. If you're connecting to an M4 Mac Mini, you might generally need a Type A to Type C converter, which is an OTG cable if you'd like to connect it, because M4 Mac Mini directly does not support Type A converters. Now, once we have that in mind, on the top left you can also go to Finder and go to the option called Settings, followed by checking this option called Hard Disks and External Disks. So if these two options are not enabled, you might not be able to see some of your drives on your home screen. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.